Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs, and as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's gonna be a really good one because today we're gonna talk about a couple of things that we're gonna be using prep time. In this video, it used to be a regular suction cup. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it by now on the thumbnail. We ain't gonna waste no time. Let's go. You guys, so as you guys can see, I found a good spot to go ahead and bring Optimus, and this way I can go over exactly what we're going to talk about today, which is the new MovMax solar suction mount, which can go on any device. To be honest with you, you can put it on your actual like vlogging camera, you can put it on the Osmo Pocket 3, which is what I'm going to show you guys here in a minute, with some rollers with Optimus, and at the same time, this thing is absolutely incredible compared to the original one that I had before, which I'm going to show you guys here. Now, with this one here that I'm holding in my hand, this one was the original one that I had on my car that I was using on the ZL1 in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure I link it up top, and it did the job. It did really well and all that good stuff. Now with this type of a suction mount, you got to actually pump it right here until it reaches that white line right there, and then that's when you stop pumping and you know you're good to go. Every now and then, it's possible that it could lose a little bit of pressure, so you always want to double check it when you have something like this. But what I'm going to show you guys is the new and improved version, and it comes straight from MovMax, and this thing is absolutely wild, and it speaks for itself. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get straight to it, and we're just going to kick it off with the actual B-rolls of prep time, and we'll get it rocking and rolling, and then we'll talk about the product. Let's get it. Now tell me that wasn't a really fun video, man. That was absolutely, man, I've been waiting a long time to do that. Let me just tell you guys that. I've been waiting a long time to get those rollers of Optimus on the highway because I always wanted to see what it looked like. Big shout out to MovMax for help making that happen for me because I'm really excited to talk about this product. And that being said, we're just gonna get straight to it. Now this is actually all connected into one piece altogether. All of this, even the arm, is from MovMax. Everything here that I'm holding is from MovMax. Now, what you're gonna notice from here, from this angle, you're gonna see that there's like little boxes that go around the whole thing, which those are pretty much like solar panels. And if you know anything about solar panels, then you know you really don't need electricity when you got solar panels charging up your device. And we're gonna get straight to it and talk about it. A few really cool features this actually has. As you can see when I'm moving it around, you can see the suction cup design itself is really nice and sturdy, but at the same time, the suction cup does attach in 5 seconds without any noise coming from the suction cup itself, being that it's motorized. Yes, this thing is motorized. For when you do turn it on and when you do turn it off for it to actually release, to turn it on, all you got to do is click it one time, the power button there, as you could see, and then it'll do its job. That thing is not going anywhere. All right, so I'm going to show you guys on how to actually use this right here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to power it on, power it back on, The lights are gonna come on. It's not, the suction mount is not gonna start right away until you push that power button once again. What you're gonna do is you're gonna apply it wherever you want. And when you apply it wherever you want, you don't gotta do it like the old suction mounts where you had to kind of press on it and then, you know, use the little button up top. With this, all you gotta do is, now that I have my spot, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the button one time, and then you let it do its job and it's on there. This thing is not going anywhere. Literally, this is not going anywhere. Now it's really cool because you can actually even mount, like I said, your Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm gonna go ahead and put it on now. And I'm gonna show you, there it is. This is how you get your rollers with this thing. This is absolutely cool. You can put this on your windows, you can put it on the body. When you put it on the body of the car, put it somewhere where it's flat, right? Not where it's a round shaped section. Put it somewhere where it's flat. That way this thing can actually mount. You can put it on the window like you see here. You can put it on your back window. I don't have one because mine is covered. But if you have this little quarter panel window, you can put it there, get side rollers. You can put it right here in the front, up front right here, and get towards like the fender. You can put it in your back window, which on mine, I do have a spot for it. That's really cool. I can get some rollers from the back of the car. And even though I have the glass skins louvers in the back, I still have a section right over here where I can literally mount it and I'll be good to go. All right, you guys, so hopefully this video right here helped you out. This way you can decide, you know, which one to go with when it comes down to getting that mount set up for the car. Honestly, you get for what you pay for. That's just, it boils down to that. You get for what you pay for. And the moment that MovMax reached out to me and said, listen, we got something new that we're gonna go ahead and release. It's a suction mount that goes on there that's solar paneled. I said, are you kidding me? Send it over here, we'll take it. I was like, just send it down, bro, we'll take it, no problem. I wanna display this thing, I wanna test it out, I wanna see how good it is. Put it on the panel again where it's a flat area and it's a good area, you know, and you're gonna see this thing go to work. Don't be nervous if you see it, like it pulls kind of tight, you know what I mean? Like when the suction mount goes to work with that motor, it does the job and it pulls kind of tight. So real quick, once again, because I have everything jotted down here, it's got silent attachment where the suction cup attaches in 5 seconds. 4.5-inch round suction cup. It's electric, so you power it, you charge it up, and then if the battery happens to be dying, solar. Charge it right back up. If you've been using it for a while, you're just recharging it overnight, you're gonna use a USB-C wire and that'll charge it no problem. Don't forget, it's a single click for it to go ahead and activate the suction cup, and then double click for it to deactivate the suction cup, and then you just pull the rubber off and it pops right off. Now this is the really, really good one that I was impressed with. It's long battery life, so it's solar powered, and of course it maintains, when you charge it, fully charge it, you're getting 150 plus hours with that charge, and then it maintains the suction cup for 48 hours after power loss. And it's got unlimited life battery because when it's in full sight and the sun is beaming right at you, it's nice and bright outside, solar. It's gonna go ahead and charge it again and keep running. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Big shout out to MovMax for once again sending me this product for me to review and show it to you guys and tell you my thoughts. Now I want to know what your thoughts are. Do you find yourself looking at purchasing something like this? All the features and benefits that it has, not just the regular suction mount. But either way, in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Hey Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling at the house, prep time, chilling right there. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I got so many more coming. Peace.